Air Sea Containers offer a range of 4G combination packaging solutions for the transportation of dangerous goods by road, sea or air, utilising specific approved inner packaging. Always refer to the code 263 assembly instructions when assembling this package, which provides information on the correct assembly method and a list of approved inners. Assemble the box, folding in the bottom flaps first and sealing the base with 50mm adhesive tape in a U-shape. Place the approved inner packaging into the 4G box. Close the outer box by folding the inner flaps in first, then the outer flaps. Seal with 50mm adhesive tape in a U-shape. Your product is now correctly packaged and ready for the appropriate hazard labels to be affixed, along with any other necessary consignment information.